This poem is called Become More by Dying. O my noble friends, slaughter this cow if you wish to raise up the spirit of insight. I died to being mineral and was transformed. I died to vegetable growth and attained to the state of animals. I died from animality and became Adam. Why then should I fear when I have become less by dying? Next I shall die to being a human being, so that I may soar and lift up my head among the angels. Yet I must escape even from that angelic state. Everything is perishing except his face. Once again I shall be sacrificed, dying to the angelic. I shall become that which could never be imagined. I shall become non-existent. Non-existent sings its clear melody. Truly unto him shall we return. For your information, there were 2 surahs from the Quran in that poem, cleverly worked into the poetry. There was Surah Al-Qasas, known as the story, 2888. Everything is perishing except his face. And Surah Fusilat, clearly spelt out, 41:21. Truly unto him shall we return. This poem is called The Lawsuit. This is very fitting because Rumi was a lawyer by trade. That was his day job. So he should know a great deal about these. I am amazed at the seeker of purity, who, when it's time to be polished, complains of rough handling. Love is like a lawsuit. To suffer harsh treatment is the evidence. When you have no evidence, the lawsuit is lost. Don't grieve when the judge demands your evidence. Kiss the snake so that you may gain the treasure. That harshness isn't towards you, O son, but towards the harmful qualities within you. When someone beats a rug, the blows are not against the rug, but against the dust in it. The poor dust! This poem is called The Bloom. That which God said to the rose, and caused it to laugh in full-blown beauty, he said to my heart, and made it 100 times more beautiful. And one more poem for the road. The Godly Art. Everyone baked by the divine sun will become rock solid. Without dread or shame, their features fiery and veil-rending like the face of the peerless sun. Every prophet was hard-faced in this world, and beat single-handed against the army of kings, and did not turn their face from fear or pain, but single and alone dashed against a whole world. The stone is hard-faced and bold-eyed, unafraid of the bricks thrown by the world, for the bricks were made strong in the kiln, but the rock was hardened by a godly art. Thank you for listening. Those were the 4 poems that we have read for this episode of Ruminations. If it sparked any insights, curiosities, or comments, you're welcome to share them.